You probably know this feeling. You study for days, you stop doing the things you enjoy, and after all that, you get the same grade as someone who studied only the night before. That's crazy, right? I was stuck in this cycle for a long time. I studied a lot, but the results didn't change until I found a learning map that changed everything for me. A simple, clear learning map, step by step. If you follow it the right way, it can help you become one of the top students in your class. So, are you ready? Let's start. Step 1. Don't eat sugar before exams. Sugar makes your brain slower. It makes learning harder. Instead, eat some fruit or a small handful of nuts. Your brain will thank you. Step 2. Keep water next to you. Water is not just for your body, it helps your brain too. It reduces tiredness and helps you focus better. So don't skip this. Keep that bottle close. Step 3. Change your mindset. Stop saying, studying is hard, studying is boring. Before you start, tell yourself, this is easy. I'll finish it fast. Today, I will learn a lot. This simple mindset can change everything. Step 4. Use a timer. When you start studying, set a 30 or 60-minute timer. Work always takes the time you give it. A timer keeps you focused and helps you work faster. Step 5. Choose what matters most. If you have little time or a lot of time, this step is always important. Ask yourself, what is the most important part? Focus on the small part that gives you the biggest result. Check summaries, repeated topics, and past exam questions. That's your gold. Step 6. Practice with questions. After choosing the important topics, start solving questions. You don't need to read every page of the book. Questions help your brain learn faster than just reading. The more you practice, the stronger your learning becomes. Step 7. Write down your mistakes. Keep a notebook for your mistakes. This is very important, especially before exams. It helps you avoid the same mistakes again. With these 7 steps, you can get much better results. It sounds simple, but try it and see the results. If you have a secret exam tip, share it in the comments. See you in the next video.